Welcome to the Big Mouth Dental Data Repository. In this tutorial, we will demonstrate how to request access for Big Mouth, log in, and later on, how to run a search query. First, open the URL bigmouth.uth.edu in a secure web browser. Click on the Access Big Mouth link. Now, click here to log in. If your institution has its name listed on the page, please select your institution name from the list and click on the Select button. If your institution's name is not listed, please contact us at bigmouth@uth.tmc.edu for further instructions. For this tutorial, we will use the UTH login. By clicking the Select button, you will be redirected to the authentication page of your institution. Here we are forwarded to the Shibuli page used by UT Houston. Big Mouth does not maintain any usernames or passwords. You will be authenticated using the login name and password you use at your institution and use a single sign-on into the Big Mouth data repository. This will load and display the Big Mouth Query and Analysis Tool window. Take a moment to look over the Big Mouth Query tool and familiarize yourself with the different tools. Big Mouth is built over the I2B2 platform. Under the Navigate Terms tab on the left, you will find a series of subfolders. Each site will have their local folder with additional subfolders that include information from their local EHRs. In addition, each site will also have a query folder that contains the information from all participating sites' EHRs. Under the Find Terms tab, you will find a search option. This allows you to either search by name or by code. To the right, you will find the Query tool. This is where users build their questions by dragging and dropping concepts from the Navigate Terms Find Terms tab to the Query tool. Here, users can view the status of the current query. Once the query completes its execution, the patient count and other details will be displayed here. Here on the left is a list of queries previously run by the logged-in user. This is so that frequently used queries are easy to access and to run. When you're ready, click on the next video for a detailed look on how to run more complex queries. Thanks for watching.